In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your target audience using AI, specifically with the help of ChatGPT. Knowing who your target audience is can make all the difference in the success of your business or project. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google. This is the starting point for accessing ChatGPT, which will be our tool of choice today for audience analysis and insights. Once you're on Google's homepage, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar and hit enter. You should see a list of search results appearing almost instantly. As you look through the search results, keep an eye out for the official ChatGPT website link. Click on the link, and it should direct you straight to the ChatGPT platform, where you'll be able to start interacting with their advanced artificial intelligence. Now that you are on the ChatGPT website, it's time to input some key information about your business. This is essential because ChatGPT will need this context to tailor its responses effectively. You should have a clear idea of what your business offers, any particular products or services, and any other pertinent details that define your store. Type these details into the provided fields or dialog box on the ChatGPT platform. Once your store details have been entered accurately, look for the Submit button on the page. You'll need to click on this to relay the information to ChatGPT. Clicking Submit acts as an entry point into a more dynamic and interactive process, allowing ChatGPT to process and analyze the data you've just provided. With your store details submitted, it's now time to engage ChatGPT further to identify your target audience. Type in a specific prompt or question for ChatGPT to direct its capabilities towards market research. An example of a prompt you might use is, I want a market research expert to analyze my business and clearly define my target audience's demographics, psychographics, struggles, desires, and online behavior. This prompt should be clear and detailed enough to tell ChatGPT exactly what kind of insights you're looking for. Finally, after typing your prompt, you'll need to click on Submit once more. By doing this, ChatGPT will start working on generating the insights you need to define and understand your target audience better. This final step is crucial as it ensures that your request is processed and the rich analytical capabilities of ChatGPT are fully utilized to provide you with the comprehensive data you're after. And there you have it. Following these steps allows you to leverage the power of artificial intelligence through ChatGPT to gain valuable insights into your target audience, helping guide your business strategies and marketing efforts with greater precision. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.